To ensure all variables are typed, we define an interface for any custom types. When creating an interface, use the interface keyword. In the body of the interface, define the appropriate properties along with their types. And don't forget to export the interface so it can be used anywhere in our application. Then use the interface as a data type, just like any other data type such as string or number. Interfaces can also be used to declare the properties and methods for a feature. Though we may not need to define this kind of interface ourselves, we often implement provided interfaces, including built-in Angular interfaces. Implementing an interface for a feature ensures that our class defines every property and method required for that feature. Add the implements keyword and the interface name to the class signature. Then be sure to write code for every property and method declared in the interface to fully implement the feature. We can encapsulate the styles for our component in the component itself. That way, the styles required for the component are associated with the component alone and don't leak into any other parts of the application. Use the styles property of the component decorator to specify the template styles as an array of strings. Use the style URLs property of the component decorator to identify an array of external stylesheet paths. The specified styles are then encapsulated in the component. Lifecycle hooks allow us to tap into a component's lifecycle to perform operations. The steps for using a lifecycle hook are: import the lifecycle hook interface, implement the lifecycle hook interface in the component class, then write the code for the hook method defined in the lifecycle hook interface. To build a custom pipe, create a class that implements the pipe transform interface. This interface has one method, transform. Be sure to export the class so the pipe can be imported from other components. Write code in the transform method to perform the needed transformation, and decorate the class with the pipe decorator. We can use a custom pipe in any template anywhere we can specify a pipe. In an Angular module, metadata, declare the pipe in the declarations array. Then any template associated with a component declared in that Angular module can use that pipe. In a template, immediately after the property to transform, type a pipe character, specify the pipe name, and enter the pipe arguments, if any, separated by colons. So in this module, we've completed the product list component. Yay! Next up, we'll see how to build nested components and build this star component.